Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Heroin. Heroin is diacetylmorphine. Heroin is available in two forms. One, hydrochloride salt. Second, alkaloidal form. Hydrochloride salt is seen as a white powder that is also called as white heroin. This hydrochloride salt is water soluble and is used for IM and IV injections. Alkaloidal form is present as brown sugar or black tar heroin. Brown sugar is in brown in color, black tar heroin is in black in color. Both brown sugar and black tar heroin are heat stable and they can be smoked on a silver or aluminium foil and the fumes can be inhaled. This is called as chasing dragon.
thank you and thank you for watching.